person have a knee problem, first thing first, you must always know, it's not a problem of knee. In reflexology, knee always reflected to stomach or liver. So those who are having knee problem, you check the stomach, you check the liver, you always find problem in these two organs. So when a person have a knee problem come to us, we do not treat the knee. We will treat the stomach or treat the liver. So what should we do now in this case? How to strengthen the stomach system? To strengthen the stomach system, mycelium is better. It's good. GL is good. Lineman is also good. Another one is that the Morinzi is also good. Especially Morinzi. So people having knee problem, we ask them to take maybe half a bottle of Morinzi a day. For those of you, for those country in Latin America here, you do not make Morinzi, don't worry, we are going to produce it very soon in Mexico. Lineman is also very good. Maybe take 38 diamonds a day. Worst come to worst, you take GL. Maybe 30 GL per day.